This
important
conference
topic
will
is
now
this
be
one.
recorded.
So this class is I will give you 2 times. Okay, so wiring system is the most important topic of electrician. If you make the electrician, you should be take the knowledge of wiring. So wiring is finished. Now next our topics is cable tray, trunking and cable ladder. Okay, next topic is cable tray, trunking and cable ladder. So cable tray, what is the cable tray? We're using in cable tray. I will explain about this one. Cable tray we can using in building, big building and industries, in power plant, uh, water plant and big building. We can using in cable tray, trunking and cable ladder for route of the cable pulling, cable laying, route of the cable laying. That time we can using in cable tray, trunking and cable ladder. Especially cable tray and cable ladder is used for cable, armor types cable, armor types cable. These types of cable we can using in cable tray, trunking, cable ladder for root system, pulling root system. Cable are starting from panel. We can starting the panel and give the supply in our equipment. So panel room and equipment place is not in same area, different area. So that time we can make the cable tray and cable ladder, and then after cable pulling, how many distance, sometimes 50 meters, sometimes 60 meters, as per your building model, how many long is equipment, panel to equipment place, how many length, as per this one we can make the cable tray and cable ladder. This means in I am told you armor type and non-armor type cable route we can using in cable tray and trunking, cable ladder for root system, and trunking, maximum trunking using in controls cable and wiring cable. Just before class we are talking in wiring cable, flexible cable. There have the only single insulation. Okay, so this is very sensitive cable also. This armor types cable very strong. This one is no problem for cable tray and cable ladder. Cable trunking means solid type. They have no more hole, no hole in there. Okay, and we can using in cable trunking for wire root system. Okay, and armored cables root system we can using in cable tray and cable ladder. Okay, so next we have the image of cable tray. This is the cable tray, punching type cable tray. This one, this inside have hole. This is PVC trunking. PVC trunking we can using in some house wiring inside, only normal house, but in a typical house, maybe 6 floors, 7 floors, 8 floors house in golf, we can using in trunking, solid type trunking we can using in solid type trunking. Okay, and this all are making GI. This is GI. This is the GI wire mesh basket type. This is using for controls cable. This is the cable ladder. Okay, this is using for armor types and non-armor types core cable. We can using this, so we can route the cable one place to another place. Okay, so we have the This is the image of PVC type. PVC type using especially panel inside wiring, golf panel inside wiring time. Some controls panel, big panel is coming, FSCP panel, okay, and another types of panel is coming there. PLC panel. That's types of panel wiring time we can using in PVC trunking inside the panel, but outside we can maximum using in electrical wire routing using in GI trunking, and punching tray and ladder we can using in armor and non-armor types cables route, and GI wire mesh or cable tray, wire mesh or basket, also tell the basket cable tray. These types of tray is using for control cable, data cable we can using in this types of cable tray. Okay, clear? And standard length of the cable tray is 3 meters. Okay, standard length of cable tray is 3 meters. Some cable tray is coming 4 meter and 6 meter also, but standard length is 3 meter. If interview time asking how many length is one cable tray, that time you can tell standard length of cable tray, trunking, cable tray, trunking, cable ladder, anyone. Standard length is 3 meter. In interview time, you can tell in 3 meter. Standard length of cable tray is 3 meter. You can tell like that. Okay, this is the correct answer. Some cable tray is coming 4 meter also, but this is not standard. Okay, standard length of cable tray is 3 meter. Interview time, if ask the how many length is one cable tray, that time you can tell 3 meter. Okay, so all are cable tray, trunking, cable ladder, and this wire mesh, all are coming in 3 meter length. Okay, and next one. So definition of cable tray, trunking and cable ladder. Definition of cable tray, trunking and cable ladder. Cable tray, trunking and cable ladder is made by PVC, steel, GI, aluminum and fiber reflected plastic, FRP, full form. So they are made by GI, galvanized iron. This is made by GI also, okay? And PVC type also. I am already showing diagram. PVC type also, and aluminum type also available in there. And fiber reflected plastic, FRP. This is the another types of. This types of cable tray is using for power plant or water plant. Maximum FRP, fiber reflected plastic type cable tray is using for water plant, because if we using in steel or aluminum type cable tray, same this types of cable tray, water is leakage sometime and falling down, and there is coming jong, iron jong coming is there, so this is no good. So that time among of water plant area and open area, maximum using in FRP, fiber reflected plastic. This is any water is coming there, any issue, not problem for the cable tray. So FRP maximum using in water plant and power plant, open area, okay? And cable tray, cable ladder using in building and industries, water safe area, okay? Because if water is falling there, jong is coming, iron jong is coming there, and this is problem for the cable tray, okay? And plastic type, so aluminum, GI, steel, using in maximum building, industries area, or some projects. And PVC, maximum PVC using in inside the panel wiring, because some control panel is very big size is coming control panel. So this inside we can put the trunking, PVC trunking and cable tray, and some controls wire is running one place to another place inside the panel wiring, panel controls wiring. Okay, so that using in PVC for panel wiring. In golf, PVC type not using in building also. Building, if normal building, we can using in GI conduit. If the building is big, we can using in GI trunking, solid type trunking. Okay, and cable ladder is using for substation. Substation area we can using in cable ladder. This is also coming in GI. Maximum 90% are golf using in GI cable tray, trunking and cable ladder. 90%. Okay, and water power plant and some water plant we can using in FRP also, fiber reflected plastic to made by the tray also. Okay, so this tray are available in six basic available in 6 basic. Punching cable tray, just told I am already you. Punching cable tray, they have the hole, like that hole is coming. Punching cable tray, this hole is coming, not solid. This is the punching cable tray. Okay, solid type or trunking, this have no any hole, solid, same GI coming, but same like that, not is coming any hole. All this hole is closed, not coming, solid type. There have no any hole. Okay, so and next one is ladder types. Same like a ladder, rack type also coming, ladder type. We have the ladder types also coming in tray. This is using for big cable, high voltage or big cable purpose. Okay, wire mesh and basket type, already I am telling this one, wire mesh and basket types. This is wire mesh and basket type. This is using for controls cable. This is the punching cable tray, GI punching cable tray. This is using for cable, and this is PVC type trunking. GI also coming same like that, not any hole. You can see there have no any hole. Punching tray have the hole. Okay, so there have no any hole. GI also coming same like that. This PVC we can using in inside the trunking, inside the panel wiring system, control panel, and some SMDB panel, MDB panel, big panel is coming. That types of panel we can using in PVC type inside the panel work. Outside we can using in same like that GI trunking or wire, single core wire, flexible wire, single core flexible wire. We can using in this wire for same like trunking, but this is GI, galvanized iron. This is PVC. Okay, so ladder, this is the ladder, cable ladder. So this is using for high voltage cable or a big cable. We can using in this one. In maximum, this types of cable tray is using in substation. This ladder is using in substation, power supply station. We can using in this types of cable tray. Okay, So ladder type also finish, solid type also finish, and punching type also, wireless also finish. Okay, and single rail cable tray. This is single, small coming like that. Is like a channel. This one not using in golf, but this basic have. And our India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, we can using in this type, small type. Only small cable is going through this one. We can using in this one, but golf is not using because golf one project inside have so many cables is coming. There have, suppose one project inside have 40, 50 distribution board, 20, 25 sub distribution board, and 10, 15 main distribution board. So we can using in big types of cable tray, sizes, big sizes. And this single rail and channel type we cannot using in golf. This is not using in golf. Mostly golf using in punching type, solid type, ladder type, and wireless type. Wireless type we can using for control cable and data cable, computer cable, control section, wireless type, basket type. Okay, and ladder, big cable sizes and high voltage cable, especially this is using for inside the substation. Solid type or trunking, this is using for single core wire, flexible wire, wiring wire, lighting wiring wire, power socket wiring wire. Running time we can using in solid type. Punching type is small cable is like this one. Punching type we can using in is like this one. Okay, so this is using for punching time. This two is not concerned. This is the normal small one. So questions is coming. So my interview I will check there. Why give in hole there in cable tray? Cable ladder already have the hole. Why give it hole there? You can see all have give the hole, hole, hole. Why? What is the reason? So reason is that one cable laying time. You can cable pulling in this inside have 5, 6, 7, 10 piece. So pulling time not coming in straight. So you can put the cable inside the here and put cable tie to tight straight purpose. And sometimes cable is going to very heat also. So air also passing in this hole too. And cable safe condition. Sometimes cable is going to heat also in as per load. So if there have the hole, air is fresh air is passing through and little bit help the cable for power supply situation also. And most important is for straight the cable. One cable tray inside have minimize 6 or 7 cable is going and as per cable tray size. So all cable are arrangement and after put cable tie to straight. One is here and another is here. Make the line by line. Cable laying. So make the give these types of hole. So many interviewers asking these questions. Okay. So are not given in correct answer. This hole. Why give the cable tray is hole? So that if question is coming like that, that time you can tell cable laying purpose. Straight make the cable laying. One tray inside have so many cable is coming. And next one is heat purpose. Sometimes cable is going to heat. Fresh wire is going to inside there. Okay. So as this one we can there have the hole. You can make the answer is like that. Okay. And okay, so clear about this one. Punching type, solid type, ladder type, wire mesh type. These 4 types is using in golf and all are using in GI. 90% using in GI. Only 5 or 10% using in aluminum or FRP, fiber reflected plastic. Fiber reflected plastic types we can using in water plant and open area. And another GI is using for building, inside the building, industries and substation. Substation we can using in ladder types. Maximum building type. And solid type we can using for single core flexible wire purpose. So I hope all of are clear about this one. Okay, you can make the notes also, okay, in your notebooks. Next one. Okay, so same like that. Among these 6 basic, maximum using in 95 using in 3 basics. Electrical, we are the electrical. We are knowledge, we are take the knowledge of industrial electrician. Okay, so electrician section maximum using in 3 types: punching type, ladder type and solid type. And wire mesh using in control section. This is auto electrician. This is going to auto control. But sometime you can working in auto control also there. This is also have, we have the course of BMS, Building Management System, or BACS, Building Management Control System. This course also have. I will teach you about this one. Sometime 10% you can also work this one also. But basically we have to take the knowledge of domestic and industrial electrician. So electrical section, 3 types of cable tray is coming: ladder type, punching type and solid type. Okay, so maximum among 6 basic, maximum used in GI 3 types. Okay, GI 3 types. Punching type used for armored cable and non-armored cable, route for power and controls cables. Okay, sometimes we can using in controls cables also, big size armored types or non-armored types. This is armor types. There have the armor, you can see there is inside have the armor in iron armor. Okay, GI armor type. And non-armor means only coming cable like that. There have no insulation, cable core and cable core insulation. There have no any armor. Non-armor. This one is non-armor. Cable topics is coming. I will explain about this one. Okay. And controls cable. Solid type or trunking. Solid type. You can see they are using for single core non-armor cable. Single core non-armor cable. Single core, this is the single core non-armor flexible cable. You see there is flexible loose cable. Okay, so these types of cable you can told wiring cable. Example of wiring: lighting wiring, fan wiring, power socket wiring. These types of wiring cable we can using in solid type in route. Okay, used for single core non-armored cable route for controls wire and CCTV wire. Okay, CCTV wire route system, CCTV wire route system we can using in solid type. And ladder types used for big size power armored cable and non-armored cable route. Big size, this is the small size. We have the big size. It's like a cable is coming 2.5 mm square size to 1000 mm square size. Cable is coming 2.5 to 1000 mm. So as per this 250 to above we can using in cable ladder. 250 mm, 240 mm to above cable we can using in cable ladder, and 250 to below we can using in punching type. Okay, So ladder type, big type, and especially these types of GI ladder is used for substation. Substation, power supply station. Substation means electrical power supply station. Substation. So many panel is coming there. MV panel. Okay, so that time rack system, racking coming 1, 2, 3, 4 layer coming like that. This we can using in this type. Punching type, building type. Okay, building we can using in maximum in building and some industries also. Okay, so this is ladder type. This is the punching type. Clear? Punching type and ladder type. What is the difference between the punching and ladder? That time you can tell we can using for this, both of these are cable route, but in small cable, armored and non-armored cable, we can using in punching type. In big cable sizes, we can using in ladder type. Especially ladder type is using for substation cable route, especially. And punching type we can using in building and industrial area. Okay, is it clear about this one? And this is the solid type trunking, GI trunking. You can see this is the solid trunking. You can see this one. Okay, this is the solid type GI trunking. There have no any hole. You see this punching have the hole, ladder have the hole. It's like a ladder type. This have no any hole. This is solid type. Okay, so solid or trunking. This two name. Some person tell is solid cable tray, and some person tell is trunking cable tray. So two names, but materials is same. Okay, so this is solid type, ladder type, punching type. Using purpose also clear. As per types, we can using in different ways. So in this slide, you can take the knowledge of golf standard, golf using types. Okay, and using purpose. And next one is name, which is ladder, which is punching tray, and which is solid. You can take the knowledge of this slide. Important for this one. Cable tray is the most important topics in golf maximum. If you take the knowledge of cable tray, this means in golf you are 40% electrician, completed 40% electrician. This is also fabrication, also told the fabrication work also. But in golf, this is including electrician coming in this one. If you know everything about the fabrication of how to make the elbow 90 horizontal, everything, that means your salary is coming high rank. If you take the knowledge of this one, you are the perfect fabricator, electrical fabricator. Yet fabricator also, electrician plus fabricator. Okay, so this is the important maximum. All building work is coming this one. Any building, any industries, all are coming in these types of work. Okay, so be clear. This is now started to, we are coming in important topics. Wiring, cable tray. Now all topics are coming in very important. Just before we are talking about the basic knowledge. It's like a safety basic knowledge and drawing basic knowledge. All are, we are give to basic knowledge. But now this is the important topics. You can do the work in going to golf. You can do this kind of work. Basic knowledge, you can follow the rules and regulation. Basic knowledge means. But in this important topics, you should be work like that. Okay, so this is the important. You can care about this one. Very important topic is this one. Next one. Size of cable tray, trunking and ladder. Sizes of cable tray, trunking and ladder. They are available. Cable tray, trunking are available. So many sizes. So many sizes is coming. So sizes we can measure by two types of size. One wide size and another height. Cable tray always measure by two area. Base or wide, or next one is height. So example, this is your cable tray. Example, I will give you example. Wide means this one. This is the base, wide. And height means this one, height. This is the height. Height of the cable tray is this one, this area. This area is height of the cable tray. This is the base or wide. Base or wide. We can measure the this one. This is height. Okay. So this is the height. Especially cable tray have two parts: base side, wide side, and this is height side. How many height is this one? Depends with this one. Okay. So cable tray have the two measurement: wide and base. So as per wide and base, cable tray and ladder, this all size is available. Cable tray and ladder, not trunking. Trunking is different. Just now you can forget in trunking. You can remember only cable tray and ladders. Okay, just forget this one. First clear, then after going there. Okay, so this all are the wide side, base side. Cable tray, base side. This all are height side. Height. Height is changes, but base also change, but height is so many founded in there. First, we can found it 50 mm into 50 mm cable tray. Sizes, this is wide also same and height also same. First one. We can available 50 mm, 50 mm. Next one is 100 by 50 mm. 100 by 50 mm. Base side is 100, wide side is 50 mm. Same like this cable tray. This is base is 100, height is 50. Base is 100, wide is 100, this one. And height is 50. This is the base 100 and height 50. Okay, same like that. This means 100 into 50. So we can writing in 100 into 50 mm. And next one, 150 into 50, 75, 100 and 150. So 150 only base coming. And this one, height is depends with the cables also. So this is available in 50 mm height, 75 mm height, 100 mm height and 150 mm height. As per site requirement. Which height of cable tray is need in site? As per this one, they are take the cable tray. Okay, base is same. Base is 150, no problem. Base is 150, and height is different. 150 by 50, 150 by 75 mm, 150 by 100 mm, 150 by 150 mm. So we have the height is different, but base is same. Okay, next one 200 by same like that. Height is different, base is same. All are same like that. Okay, so 200 base, 50, 75, 100 and 150. This is height. And next one is 300. 300 by 50, 75, 100 and 150. Base, why it depends with how many cable is going inside the cable tray. Depends with this one. One cable to another cable distance is 5 centimeter, 50 mm. We can give the gap between the two cables. This is two cables. Suppose you can give the gap of 5 centimeter in middle. Yes, this is the rules of government. If you pulling the cable, not joint is like that. This is not allowed. Need to 5 centimeter gap. So how many cable is going inside the cable tray depends with this one. Okay, so all base is different. You see, base is different. Not in overlap like that. Not in put like that. This is not allowed. Only base side we can put, give the 5 centimeter gap or 50 mm gap. Okay, and next one is 300 mm. 300 also available. Height is 50, 75, 100 and 150. This is also available, same. And another is 450 base. Base is make the big. Base is going to make the big size as per your cable size. Suppose there is coming only 2 cable. This inside have coming 3 cable. There is coming 4, 6, 8, 10. Like that cable is coming. So gap, we can calculation the gap. One cable to another cable gap is 50 mm. This means how many, which size of cable tray is required there. They are make the drawing design like that. Okay, this is not your section. They make the design is by designer of engineer. You can working always writing in drawing which size is coming there. You can concern this one. You are not a designer engineer. Okay, this is made by designer. So next one 450 by same like that. 4 height side is coming 4. Next one is 600. 600 by 50, 75, 100 and 150. This is also same coming, same category. And next 750 base side coming big, and 50, 75 and 100. Why 150 is not coming? Because this cable tray is, one cable tray length is 3 meters. I am already told and writing there 3 meters. This means this 750 means like that. 750 means 75 centimeter. Wide is big, so heavy. Not possible to 150 fitting offside. Heavy. So only coming in up to 100. Only coming in up to 100. And last one is 900. This is also available 50, 750 and 100. 900 means 90 centimeter. Like near the 1 meter wide. So very big now. So we can, height is coming only 100 mm. Not coming in, these two not coming in 150. Maximum 900 is coming 50, 75. Some place coming in 100 mm height also. Among this one, few project, 1% project, you can find 1000 mm also. This is as per requirement. 1%, I am only told you one. 99% is coming same height and same base. But 1% is coming sometime only 1000 mm also. 1% I am tell. This is not mention is here. This is 1% means very low. Okay, so this is no need to. Maximum you can find in project these types of sizes. cable tray and ladders. Okay, clear? So this is the base, this is the height. Okay, sizes of cable tray and ladder. Standard sizes of cable tray and ladder. Clear about this one? Yes. Now going to next topics. Trunking. Now forget this one. Just we can this. Now you can focus in trunking. Okay. So trunking also available in this sizes: 50 by 50, 70, 75 mm by 75 mm by 100 mm, and 150 by 150 or 150 100 by 150, 200 by 200 into 100, and 300 by 300, 200 and 100. This is also height, and this is base, trunking base. Same like a cable tray. Okay, same like a cable tray. These all are coming in mm. Always offside writing in mm. Okay, all are coming in mm. Mm means this convert to centimeter. This is 5 centi. 50 by 50 mm means 5 centi by 5 centi. Okay, so how to manage in there? This is the solid type. This is trunking is coming solid type. So we can wiring in this types of wire. And as per wire, how many wire is going there, we can make the free level is 3 centimeter. We can give the free level is 3 centimeter. Okay. So this is depends with the base. Okay. This is depends with the base. So we have the cable tray and ladders one side, and trunking is one side. Trunking is only available up to 300. Okay, 300 to more is not coming. Maximum not coming. But cable tray ladder is coming up to 900 mm. Okay, so clear about this one. Okay, sizes of cable tray, trunking and ladder. Clear of this one. So I hope all of you are clear and make the notes also. Okay. So, okay, wish you all the best and see you next class. Continue in cable tray.
Okay, sir. Thank you.